How to book an appointment for CIBC Bank. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to book an appointment for CIBC Bank. In order to book an appointment for CIBC Bank, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, you need to go ahead and open up a browser. You can use any web browser, whichever is convenient for you. And then on the web address bar, type in www.cibc.com/en/personal-banking. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. Now this is a direct link that's going to take you to the page where you can go ahead and book your appointment directly. So here you need to go ahead and select the account type first of all, and then go ahead and select Meet with Us, located right at the bottom. After that, it's going to take you to the info page where you can go ahead and select whether you are actually a guest or you need to continue as a CIBC client. If you're a CIBC client, you want to select that. Enter in the card number and then the password in order to log in into your account, and when you're logged into your account, it's going to directly take you to the field where you can select your date and all that and timing in order to schedule your appointment. So that's how you can book an appointment for CIBC Bank. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.